Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. With Valentine's Day approaching, the next few weeks will feature glam makeup looks. Today we're creating a smoky soft glam eye with pink, mauve, black and pink shimmer. Stay tuned for more shots of the finished look. I've completed one eye to show you how it'll look, so let's get started on the other one. I'm starting with a light cream shade under the brow to create a subtle highlight. Using this MAC blush, I'm applying this pink with a sweeping motion, then blending it into the cream shade for a soft transition, extending it into a soft rounded edge at the outer corner. I'll reapply the same colour, building up the product to intensify the area beneath the initial layer and then extend it under the lash line. To deepen the crease, I'm layering a mauve from this Revolution palette with another brush, applying it in the same way as the previous shade, then using a pencil brush to apply closer to the lash line, extending it into the outer corner. Now I'll take a slim brush, dip it into the mauve shade with a touch of black and softly blend into the outer corner and crease. Next I'm applying black eyeliner to the waterline for extra definition. Next I'll use a short brush and apply a touch of black eyeshadow along the lower lash line and gently blend it out. Using the same brush, I'll then buff the mauve shade into the black to soften the transition and add depth. I'm now going to use a pink shimmer from this Revolution palette with a flat brush and sweep it across the lid, blending it into the outer corner. Now I'll apply a bit of black eyeliner to the top lash line and use a short brush to blend it out with a touch of black eyeshadow, creating a softer, diffused look. I'll now complete the eyes with mascara and false lashes. For the cheeks, I'll mix these two MAC blushes and apply them along the cheekbones with a large brush. I'll then use the same tan blush to softly contour under the cheeks. I'll now use this MAC High Shine Pink highlighter and apply it above the cheekbones with a soft brush. I'll finish the lips using MAC's Soar lip liner all over my lips, then use Bobbi Brown's Art Stick in shade Bare and top it off with some mauve gloss. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Sharing is caring, so feel free to spread the word to anyone who might enjoy these tutorials or who want to collaborate. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.